makita guys. What is up guys, we are back with another video. It's a back-to-back vlog. We have an F850 GS and a Triumph Tiger Sport 660. This is what we are going to be using today. And yeah, it's gonna be a quick ride to Buda. Sama natin si Jarvin, and this will be my first time using this motorcycle sa long ride. And it's currently, I think it's 4 p.m. Medyo late to. This is a spontaneous unplanned ride. So let's go. Lord guide us. Bago lang natapos rebuild yung front fork ng BM, yung BM na yan. So we are gonna be testing this out, and it's also gonna be my first time riding this motorcycle. First impressions papunta in terms of high speed, the visor is very short and there's a lot of wind noise sa aking helmet. So if that's the case, there's also gonna be a lot of noise sa aking camera. So my apologies. My apologies ahead kasi wala tayong wind muffler, or ano ba yung parang dead cat sa ating microphone na wala, or I've misplaced it. Either way, I hope you guys enjoy this ride. And yeah, that's it. Trying to get used to this motorcycle. Medyo iba kasi siya. It's very difficult from the naked bikes that I ride. Bike. I'm still trying to get used to the ergonomics, being in a relaxed position. our road. This kind of road, cement, where it's not really even. It's very hard to corner the motorcycle. I'm also trying to get used to the braking feel, since this is also new for me. It's a dual disc brake, much stronger brakes than what I have, comparing it to a single disc brake. The RPMs climb really fast. Mamalayan na biglaan ka na lang nasa 6 gear. The acceleration on this thing is so fast. But it's really hard to corner on these kinds of streets. So nag-adjust kami ulit ng rebound ng motor, because maybe it has something to do with suspension. So I don't know. Very similar to an adventure bike. The ergonomic, the way it works is that you have to lean it out para sa lean in. For roads like this na uneven yung kalsada, it's very hard, very difficult. Sugat natin yung mga papunta dito guys, naka raincoat, tapos tayo wala tayong dalang raincoat. corners that I used to do with my motorcycle, I can't do it here because I'm not used to it. Merong malaking disgrasya dito. Trailer, itong parte ng ano na to. Merong trailer na humiga dito. Buti hindi nahulog sa bangil. I'm not sure sa ano, pero I think hindi siya nahulog. Hindi ko siya na-capture sa video kasi akala ko nagre-record ako nun. That was on our previous vlog. As fast, but I'm getting used to it. Guys, fogs! Wow! Lamig! It's back to being damp again. Tayo makapaglaro. Medyo basa yung daan. That's fine. Take it slow. Importante safe. Delikado. It was really wet. But that's fine. We are fine. We are happy. I'm sure sa unahan zero visibility to. Lalagay natin sa rain mode to guys. Parang delikado. Pa-rain mode ko ba?
Gusto?
Ha?
Asarin mo gusto? Dito to, gigay.
Ikaw, pa-rain mode ko ba?
Ha?
Pa-rain mode.
Pa?
Pa-rain mode.
Mas okay na yung ano?
Ah.
Much better.
I'm getting used to the ano lang yun. Maybe it's just a me thing. Maybe ako ra jud siguro ang may problema. Kapag jud ko nakadala og power bank, malubat ni eh.
Okay. Dapat na ba? Ako na. Rain na tanan.
Ayun na.
Throttle ni mo, medyo delay ha.
Ah.
Kaya naka-rain. Asa ta, dikto din eh.
Ikaw, asan ni mo ganahan di ay?
Sigal, okay ra po.
Oh, sige, sigal ta.
At lang, marag-larag pag gusto. Sabay ka naman. Side ka.
Wow, look at this guys. Fogs all over Buda. Let's go. Last stop, Sigal. Then tambay kami dun. So naka-rain mode na yung Triumph. The traction control is extra sensitive, and yung throttle natin medyo delay, which is fine kasi hindi naman tayo magta-top speed or anything dito. Let's just appreciate this wonderful view ng fogs. Ang ganda guys. Wow. Woohoo. Papuha. Oy. Wala na yung makitaan. Wow, wala ka nang makita guys, yung mga ilaw na lang na papunta sa'yo. Hindi mo na makita kung anong sasakyan. Gwapo eh. Biglaan na lang may motor sa harapan mo. Si Kuya nag-request ng pabomba. Wala kaming makita guys. Oh my god. Wala kaming makita. Lamig. Oh my god. Ayun, medyo nawala na. We are approaching Cape Boss. Kasi maraming nagtatambay na riders dito. kaya ito? Ito kaya ito? Try ko invite si EJ. Try na to dito.
Ha?
Kato dito ba? Nakakaon na ka dito?
Ha?
Nakakaon na ka dito?
Ano pa?
Try na to dito.
Dito ta?
Oh.
Saan na dito?
I don't know. Ha? Tara.
Ano, dito tayo to.
Okay, so we're done. Currently, anong oras na ba? 6:09. Uwi na kami ng Davao. Sir, thank you, sir. Ma'am, sir, thank you. Thank you. Gabi na, gabi na. Madilim na, wala na tayong makita, guys. Woohoo. Busog. Okay. Woohoo. Let's go. Naka night mode na tayo, guys, sa ating camera, so hopefully it's not that dark, and meron tayong auxiliary. Oh my god, nagpa-fog yung lens ko. Hindi ko makita. I think I have to open my visor to be able to see properly. So anyways, thank you guys for accompanying us in this ride. This is probably where the video will be ending. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.